Hi, I'm anxious to introduce you to my brother Robert. This is Robert Townsend, and we've got a special case here, and that's why we're using my brother. Normally I wouldn't interview a family member and use it in this way, but this is a very special case. Robert came here from California, has been here for 2.5 weeks, and we have treated him virtually every day. And I'm going to let him tell you the reason why.
Back in October of 2011, I was diagnosed with throat cancer, and I spent 16 weeks going through chemotherapy, induction chemotherapy, and radiation and chemotherapy at the same time. Very, very evasive treatment. The cancer itself was considered a stage 4. And it was very large. When I came here, I had gone from 157 pounds down to 130 pounds. Great deal of weight loss. As you can see that I did have a nice head of hair also at one time. This is one of the side effects. So I was down physically, and I've been here for 2.5 weeks, and during that time I have regained 10 pounds. Besides the cleansing effect of all the treatments that I've received, my health has improved immensely. As the term I keep using with Dr. Townsend is, I feel almost normal again, and for 6 months not to feel that way, this has just been great for me.
So we were not treating his cancer, let's make that clear. We hope that the radiation and the chemotherapy took care of that. So we were applying the 6 steps to wellness towards rejuvenating him, returning him back to health. Now we've done this in about 16 days. Average person probably wouldn't work that hard, but he came out here from California, so we worked very diligently to make this happen. Now, in addition to what he mentioned to you, he had very severe sores in his mouth. He was unable to swallow very well. In fact, you'd been using a feeding tube up until the day you came here. Is that not true?
That is correct.
Okay. And so there were lots of issues that made it difficult, if not impossible, to take in food to start with. And then there were digestive issues, being able to keep the food down. And so it was a very, very critical situation in which he was in. In fact, he shared with me that a lot of people that were getting treatment with him, actually when they finished the treatment they had to put them in a hospital to keep them alive. So our approach to this was the same approach we have for all of our patients who are interested in their health returning, and that's the 6 steps to wellness. So one of the most profound things that we noticed in treating Robert was the detoxification, and many of you are acquainted with the foot bath detox that we do here. And the thing that was profound with the hundreds of these that I have done in the course of my career, Robert's is the worst that I have ever seen from the very beginning, and we've done like 10 or 12 now, and they're still horrible. So the toxicity in his body is rather unbelievable to me. But we're making headway on that. He's probably going to have to do some more detoxification when he gets to California. We also did some lots of nutrition work, including IV vitamins that were very helpful to him. And we did structural work, and there was emotional work. We did our NSRT work to see if there were any sensitivities that he was dealing with from the environment or from food. And so we've applied literally all 6 steps to wellness for Robert in the course of just 2.5 weeks. And so like today we were hopeful that he was going to gain 10 pounds. Sure enough, he gained his 10th pound today, and he's leaving in about 1/2 hour. So we're all rejoicing about that, because he was still losing weight when he came here. So we're real excited that he met that goal. He's been able to actually do some work. They even put him to work here in the clinic a little bit. So we've had a real good experience with this, and I want to share it with others who may have similar experiences. So Robert, is there anything else that you've thought of that you'd like to share about this?
That pretty much takes care of it. It's just that the profound effects are great. and it's made such a big difference in my life right now.
Great. Okay, well, it's been a pleasure, and I hope this message will be of benefit to you. Thank you.